So here's how we can change the calendar language on the iPhone. Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So you can go ahead and open up your settings app like this. At the bottom of this page below, we have the apps section where all of the apps are, have their own dedicated settings menu, and naturally we can find calendar. So it's sorted alphabetically, should be easy to find. And inside of this section, you can change the language. So you have a dedicated language section. So you can choose it for the calendar app only, right? So it's not like for the whole phone or for any other place other than the calendar, which is likely the thing that you are interested in. So that's how you can change it for your calendar, right? So you can choose it from those preferred languages, which are like adopted from your iPhone's settings, or scroll through the other options below and pick from the other languages in here. Keep in mind, however, that you can also go back to the general section within the main settings, and there you can find language and region. But as I say, this is the language for the entire phone, not specifically for one app, like for example, for the calendar, as I've shown you, right? So it's like a different thing. It's more of a blanket solution. So that is how it works. Let me know in the comments below if you manage to make it work and set it up on your device. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for upcoming tutorials and quick tips like this one, and I'll talk to you soon.